Hello to everybody, FutureTrend channel is glad to welcome all of our subscribers for the date of 21st of June 2018. We start our everyday's view of major currencies trading. At the moment, the strength of the United States dollar is in full play, let's say so. The situation is very favorable for another spike higher of the United States currency, and from that point of view, the euro dollar, the block of major currencies, should continue to resume its major bearish trend against the United States currency. Let's first analyze the euro dollar. The moment also both of fundamental or technical view of the euro dollar should remain quite negative, and from that point of view the euro dollar's slide below 115.10, which is let's see that on the chart, which is the May's lows around 115.10. That means that in the foreseeable future the break below that level and subsequent closing should extend the underlying bearish trend of the euro currency. Only possible closing above 118.50, where is the first formidable resistance in the euro dollar, could take the currency slightly higher to the level of psychological importance, located around 120, where also, as you can see, lies moving average 200 daily line. But at the moment we should postpone such kind of view, because the underlying trend, as you can see, is quite negative in the euro currency, and that means that any kind of rebound in the euro dollar should be viewed as a selling opportunity. At the moment, moving average 200 daily line lies around 116.70. Any kind of rebound closer to that level should remain as a selling opportunity and should be used as a strategy to short the currency in the foreseeable future. As regarding the dollar yen, which is trading around 110.67, probably here the situation is not so bad for the Japanese yen, like comparing to the euro dollar, because there is a kind of longer term downtrend line located around 111.80, and while trading below that line, from a longer term point of view, probably the dollar yen could resume its its bearish trend we witnessed at the beginning of 2018. Today is the day of two important central bank rate decisions. That's Bank of England rate decision, as well as the rate decision of Swiss National Bank. And if taking into account, if the situation with dollar Swiss and situation with the Swiss National Bank is more or less stable, the Bank of England could really affect the market, and that means that in case of a bearish kind of dovish kind of view expressed by Bank of England policy members, as well as Bank of England or Governor Mark Carney, he should appear in the market probably at the end of today. In that case, we could see lower levels in the cable, and that means that in the next couple of days the pair could retest its important barrier of the lows of October 2017, around 130.25, 130.27. Also here lies a psychologically important barrier 130, and at the moment that's for sure a next reliable support level in that currency. As regarding the dollar Swiss, break above parity level and subsequent closing in the nearest future should take the currency to its current highs, located around 100.55. But once again, we'd like to note and to pay attention on more important upside barrier located around the highs of 2017. Um, that lies at the moment around 103.35. The same, by the way, situation applies for the Australian dollar, which is also very, very weak and looking really very, very weak. Not only from a technical point of view, but also from fundamental point of view, because you know that the United States is still mulling to impose new tariffs against imported goods from China, and that means that, of course, the Australian economy also should be affected because it's a really very important trading partner of China, and that means that also from that point of view the Australian dollar should remain quite weak in the next couple of trading weeks, let's say so. For those interested in our strategy of commodity currencies, here it is. You can see that we closed all our positions and prefer to stand aside. But overall, the situation still remains quite favorable for resuming of the dollar strength in that currency pairs. As regarding the euro crosses, the situation should remain also here, probably not, should remain quite bearish. There is probably one exemption, and that's the euro sterling pair, where a lot of will depend on today's Bank of England rate decision. As regarding the euro yen and euro Swiss, that pairs should remain quite negative at the moment, and any kind of rebounds, for example in the euro Swiss to its moving average 200 daily line located around 116.64 should be used as a selling opportunity, because sooner or later the pair should retest, as we suggest, even probably it's a longer term uptrend line that's located around 109.15. At the moment that's all. Thank you very much for all of your attention. It was Future Trend channel with you. Bye bye for now.